The Journey from Kaliyug to Satyug, Part 3. Sripada Sri Vallabha Sri Chakra Dattatreya Sri Sai Baba Temple at Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Om Sri Vinayaka, Jai Guru Datta, Jai Sripada, Jai Sainath. As per the divine will of Sri Dattatreya and Sripada Sri Vallabha, the trust by the name Sri Chakra Datta Sripada Sri Sai Peedham was registered on 23rd February 2020. The main purpose of having the trust registered was to establish the Sri Chakra Sri Datta Peedham during the forthcoming Satyuga for the welfare of the entire humanity in the world. It is not indeed necessary for us to wait for the completion or for the end of Kali Yuga. There could be several disastrous events during this period due to Kali Yuga Prabhavam, that is, due to the accumulated ill effects of Kali Yuga. Lord Dattatreya has hence decided to shift his devotees from this Kali Yuga to his Satyuga, which shall be a golden era for all devotees of Sripada Sri Vallabha and Sai Baba. Considering the welfare of the entire human race, Lord Dattatreya has desired to bless these devotees with abundance in all walks of their lives. He also shall shower his grace on the entire human fraternity. During the Kurukshetra war, Lord Krishna chose the place Kuru for destroying adharma, which means the destruction of unrighteousness, immorality, wickedness, sin, killing, etc., and thereby establishing dharma, which means righteousness. Similarly, Sri Chakra Datta Sripada Sri Vallabha chose the holy town of Kanchipuram for having their temple built in order to restore peace and harmony, which means Lokakshema in the world. Secondly, for the protection of this world from disaster and calamity. Thirdly, for the welfare of the humanity. Sri Chakra Sri Pada Sri Vallabha have blessed us all with a powerful mantra to be regularly chanted for self and world protection as well as for welfare. The mantra is as given here. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Sri Chakra Dattatreya Digambara. Why did Lord Dattatreya choose Kanchipuram for his temple for the Satyuga? Geographically, the navel point or the center point or the core of the Bhumandalam is Kanchipuram. Long ago, in this place, several pujas for the Sri Chakra of goddess Lalita Parameshwari used to be performed regularly. Kanchipuram used to be known as Sripuram also. It is a Divya Sthalam, which means a sacred place. This place is the sacred abode and seat of Universal Mother Sri Lalita Parameshwari and the Bindu Sthalam, the center point of goddess Lalita Mahatripura Sundari. Kanchipuram is a spiritually charged, powerful center in the Bhumandalam and hence chosen by Lord Dattatreya for his temple for Satyuga. As per the divine ordain of Sri Datta Sri Pada Sri Vallabha, a very huge Sri Chakra, being the most powerful of all yantras in the cosmos, will be installed in the most sacred place of his temple site in Kanchipuram. This huge Sri Chakra shall be known as Sri Chakra Dhyana Peedham, which is an abode for meditation, and this Peedham shall be in the form of a very huge Sri Chakra. This Sri Chakra, most sacred of all yantras, is known to be the king of all yantras. Lord Sri Datta and Sripada Sri Vallabha thus chose this place for the temple for Satyuga, as it is a great Punya Kshetram, which means a holy place which has accumulated abundant divine grace from a very long time. Lord Sri Datta has assured all the devotees of Sripada Sri Vallabha and Sri Sai Baba that whosoever steps in here, in this most powerful and sacred temple of his at Kanchipuram, for such of those devotees, all the chakras in their body shall get activated and they shall be blessed with higher spiritual awakening. Lord Dattatreya has given his divine assurance that this temple in Kanchipuram is a temple for Satyuga that will guarantee protection to all his devotees from negative and evil forces as well as disasters through natural calamities. Such is the power of this temple. As per the divine will of Lord Sri Datta Sri Pada Sri Vallabha, it has been proposed to install 1,08,00,000 Sri Chakras in this holy site. In the usual Sri Chakra, universal goddess or Jagan Mata, Sri Lalita Parameshwari is worshipped. But here in Kanchipuram, in the Sri Chakram, Lord Dattatreya will be worshipped. In the Sri Chakram, Lord Dattatreya will appear as Tripura, which means Lord Datta will be in an exalted position with additional powers from goddess Anagha Lakshmi, his consort. He will be in the form of Ardhanarishwar. One half of him will be Purusha Shakti, the male energy form, and the other half will be the Sri Shakti, which is the female energy form of Sri Anagha Lakshmi. The original Sri Vidya Upasana was brought to this Bhuloka by Lord Dattatreya himself. This Sri Vidya Upasana was given by Lord Dattatreya to Parashurama, Prahalada, and many other saintly persons. Parashurama directly received the initiation of Sri Vidya from Lord Dattatreya himself. Lord Dattatreya proclaimed that he was that Sri Vidya and Tripura himself. For the sake of Satyuga, Lord Dattatreya has adorned this form of Ardhanarishwar. We, the devotees of Sri Pada Sri Vallabha and Sri Sai Baba, are very fortunate to be the chosen people to be bestowed with such powerful divine energy and blessings of Lord Dattatreya and Goddess Anagha Lakshmi in the form of this sacred Sri Chakra. We have indeed acquired all this purely due to our past good karma. We should feel grateful and blessed to be chosen for the transition from Kali Yuga to Satyuga by the Lord himself. Therefore, we all must definitely, as devotees of Sri Pada Sri Vallabha and Sai Baba, dedicate ourselves for this cause of installation of Sri Chakra and offer our unconditional support. Lord Dattatreya has proclaimed that he shall bring about changes in Kali Yuga, and thereafter his devotees should march towards the Satyuga. The world will face the wrath of Kali Bhagavan and go through Kali Prabhavam, which means the ill effects of Kali Yuga. But the Lord Dattatreya shall secure all the devotees and ferry us out of the Kali Prabhavam very safely. During this transition from Kali Yuga to Satyuga, all devotees who surrender to his holy feet shall be blessed abundantly and shall receive the divine grace continuously. Let us jointly contribute in fulfilling the following 5 major sankalpas Sri Lalita Amma has taken and thus be a part of that sacred journey and move on to Satyuga and contribute our time and good deeds for human welfare. The 5 sankalpas of Sri Lalita Amma. Sri Pada Sri Vallabha is the incarnation of Lord Dattatreya. All the devotees in India and abroad should have the darshan of this Lord Sri Pada Sri Vallabha and chant his Nama Japa. All the devotees in this world should chant Digambara, Digambara, Sri Pada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Sri Chakra Dattatreya Digambara, and thereby receive the grace of the Lord. Thirdly, all the devotees in this world should read Swami's Charitamritam, a holy Parayan book, and feel the bliss. Fourth Sankalpa, each and every devotee across the globe must visit the sacred temple of Sri Chakra Sri Pada Sri Sai in Kanchipuram, the temple for Satyuga, and thereby attain salvation or mukti. Finally, it must be the endeavor of each of the devotee to talk of and spread the glory and miracles of Sri Pada Sri Vallabha in this world and thus receive his grace. Jai Guru Datta.